This 14-inch Fanuc monitor was out of a machining center using either a Fanuc 6, 10, 11, or 12 controls, and was so burnt out we had to perform a full LCD retrofit that brought it back to service. As shown in the video, these screens use the mechanical parts of the old monitor, so the retrofit will slide back into the system with no further modification needed. The tricky part of these retrofits is making sure the video interface is configured for use in the machining system, as many of the systems use custom wiring, or, even worse, custom resolutions. We had this installed in the machining center, and it only required minor parameter adjustments of the LCD to be back up and running in the full system.